Hello everybody and welcome! Since I bought my 2007 Vauxhall Astra back in October last year, I have been thinking of ways of updating the sound system. I wasn't really in search of a better sound. I think the quality of it is actually just good enough for me. But I wanted to have Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls, streaming music and so on. Not too fussed about the digital radio. I listen to podcasts most of these days, but I also wanted to play my own CDs. Yes, I'm a little bit old-fashioned, and I like to play my CD collection. And if possible, maybe add some Apple CarPlay. Who knows? I looked at several options, and this is what I got.
And here it is, everybody, the CarPod Go T3. It is the unique 60 FPS or 60 frames per second portable CarPlay that can be used in several ways by plugging it to the auxiliary or, as chosen by most users, to the vehicle's Bluetooth system, using a dual Bluetooth system where you pair your phone with a device, and then you also pair your phone with your car's Bluetooth system, enabling you to use the steering wheel controls, the microphone, and also the stereo system. So this will be just only a display unit. In my case, I'm using actually this little Bluetooth connector that I've bought on Amazon, which works very well, and it's an absolute joy to use because my car does not come with Bluetooth. The CarPod Go comes with a Bluetooth connector, but I found it a little bit cumbersome, because this plugs to the audio jack of the Astra, and then you have to plug this to the back of the CarPod Go, and you see you have this stupid thing just overcrossing, and I don't like it. So it could have been a proper wireless unit. Why did I go for the CarPod Go? First, CarPod Go contacted me in order to review this product, and it was actually a good coincidence because I wanted really to do something about the current Astra system. I didn't go for the usual Android units, the ones that are a direct replacement to the car's original device, because as you can see, the Astra's ergonomics are not really that great. The controls are located a little bit too low, and this is my line of sight. And if I was going for a common Android unit or even a single DIN unit, the display and the controls would have been way too low. And I don't think that is really safe. And the CarPod Go comes with actually several types of mounts. Comes with one of these, which I don't know where I've put. Oh, here it is actually. You basically stick on the dash, one of that. It comes with this unit where you can with a suction pad you can put on the windscreen, but the CarPod Go has to rest on the dashboard itself in case you don't want to stick things on your dashboard. It also can come with a variety of accessories, for example a reversing camera, which I'm not going to install in this car because simply it doesn't need. And also comes with a very useful 12-volt socket unit with the on-off button, which is very useful because many cars do have a live 12-volt socket and you don't want to leave this thing permanently on all the time. And look at the design of this. It is very nice, seamless, like a giant mobile phone. And do you see just that? It has a magnetic holder, which is amazing. Unlike some other units which have plastic clicks and so on, which eventually will break with time, and just put that on and that's it, done. It does work very well. You can see here I have Smith & Smith's podcast. I just turn the radio on the auxiliary. Actually, I have to turn the ignition on.
I'm Richard Porter.
I'm Johnny Smith.
And this is on the other.
And I don't want to keep on playing this because I don't want to get in trouble with this fabulous duo who have a fantastic podcast. And you can see I just play that on my car stereo system by using this nifty little. I've bought this on Amazon separately from this product that was actually given to me by CarPod Go. It does work very well, even for making calls and so on. It is so much better than actually keeping this thing on the dash, which I'm actually going to get rid of because I don't need it anymore. Just keep my phone in my pocket and away we go. It does have several functions in here. I was going to show you map, but it will show my location and I don't want you to know where I live. But you can see in here the several bits of menu messages and so on, just like CarPlay, for example. It also does use Android Auto, and one of the best features of this system is that it is actually very quick, very easy to set up, and then for the moment you turn it on until it comes up, it's just only a few seconds, something like 12 seconds or so. I think it is actually amazing. Other features that it has automatic mode switching, gesture switching and so on. It changes from day to night automatically, and you can set this up to your taste. But if you don't have an auxiliary connection at all, you can still use the inbuilt speakers. Most of these units do not come with a built-in speaker. Okay, it's not as powerful as a car speaker, for example, but it does the job for sometimes in a hurry. But there is something else you can do with this. For example, on your classic car. Magnetic mount. I've already got here the windshield mount, which I actually happen to put on the dash. There you go. Goes in very easily. It has to rest here on the dash. Take the old cigarette lighter, barely used. In it goes. It actually was already turned on, and you can see it does turn on actually very quickly, and in a few seconds you will see my CarPlay screen popping out anytime now. There you go. How quick is that? I think this is absolutely amazing. Of course, when I switch to this car, because unfortunately the radio doesn't work, I have to change to the inbuilt screen. But that's not the end of the world. Much better than actually having another mount in here to put my phone and so on. And this is absolutely perfect. So what's my verdict? I really like the CarPod Go T3. It does work very well. Integration with my car. I can still use my old CDs. Even if my car had a Bluetooth connection, it is very simple to set up and to work on. Very smooth operation, no lag, very quick on startup, and I think it does a great job, especially with the magnetic rear mount, which means no awkward clicks or anything of the sort. And also being able to use it in my Classic does add to the versatility of this unit. If you would like to buy it, there's a couple of links on the video description on Amazon and also on CarPod Go website. And if you use the code that you will see on the screen at the bottom, you can also get an extra discount. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on next video. Take care.